Hey guys, Vivtorsing here. Welcome back to another Minecraft AI video. Oh, okay, it's working. Yes. Finishing
I can
here.
hear and understand everything perfectly now.
Well,
Let's discuss some Minecraft strategies. I've been playing a
uh,
lot lately and I'd love to share some tips with you,
hey guys,
especially since
finishing
it's my
here.
favorite game.
Okay, cool. So, basically what I have been doing is that I finally added speech to text and I finally stopped using the Apple speech to text thingy thing that I don't know. So finally now it's using my own microphone and sending it to the Vivie AI, and then Vivie AI is listening to it, and then I send it to Minecraft temporarily, and we fix Vivie's thingy majigger thingy thing. Okay. And there's like a 2 second delay every time I stop talking because I didn't know how long I should make it. I did not say thingy that many
I'm
times.
glad you've made progress on your speech to text project.
Yeah, thank you.
I'm curious to know how it's working out with Minecraft. What do you think about the game's latest updates?
Do you know about the mace hammer or no? See, look, it's pretty good. It's not super good. I don't know why did this
I'm
thingy
familiar with the
thing.
mace in Minecraft, but what would you like to talk about regarding it?
Wait, you do?
Is there a specific strategy or tip you'd like to share?
Wait, you do know about the mace? Okay, what's the what type of enchantments can we put on it? There's no way it knows about the mace. There's no way.
I'm glad I could finally understand your
No, no, please
message.
answer my question.
As for the mace, it's a great tool in Minecraft, but I think you might be thinking of something else. You mentioned a maze earlier, and I'd be
No.
happy to discuss enchantments related to that. However, if you meant the
Huh?
mace hammer, one useful enchantment is smite, which deals extra damage to undead mobs.
Okay, that's not. What about the new enchantments only for the mace? For the mace hammer. Yeah, I really need to change this 2 second delay to like at least maybe 1 second. So like when I stop talking, instead of it waiting 2 seconds.
The command I mentioned earlier was /give it p-stone, enchantments equals levels.
No.
Ugh. Fortune 3-1.
What was that weird?
As for the mace hammer's unique enchantments, one of them is knock, not smite, and another is sharpness.
Okay, it doesn't know. It doesn't
However,
know.
I'm not aware of any new enchantments
Okay, that's
specifically
good.
for the
I
mace
got
hammer
worried
that were
there.
added in recent updates.
So
If you're looking for information on specific enchantments or Minecraft strategies, feel free to ask.
okay, sure. So basically, for the speech to text, we're not using apples, right? And probably Apple is probably crying now because Apple's probably like the only person that's using Apple's, Apple's speech to text thing. So no more Apple speech to text. Now it's all good stuff now. So you might be wondering the model I'm using. I'm using the Whisper AI model. And if you're smart and know about this stuff, you might think, wait a minute, doesn't that cost money? And isn't Vivie AI a 0 cent project? And you're kind of right about that. Apparently, they just have a model on Hugging Face that you can just download. That's exactly what I did. Let's see what Vivie has to say about that. Okay. So yeah, that's really cool. Go away, Creeper. Oh, actually, our Creeper's our podcaster with us today. Right? How do you feel about that, Creeper? We're not using Apple Strike. Yeah, yeah.
I'm glad the speech to text functionality is working out for you now.
Yes, there's some issues
To
with
answer your
like
question,
Vivie
yes,
AI,
the
my
Whisper AI
name.
model does have a free version available on Hugging Face that we can use.
Oh, it already knows about
I'm
that?
curious, how's the performance of this free model compared to Apple's speech to text feature?
I'm glad I'm glad you asked because I think it's a tie. Well, it's actually slightly better because apparently the Whisper model can hear me clapping, coughing, typing on the keyboard, and then like a few other background noises. It can hear that. I think it does sneezing as well. But every time I test it in Minecraft, I mean, on this computer it doesn't work, and I don't know why I got timed out.
I'm glad the Whisper AI model is working out for you.
Thanks.
It sounds like it's doing a good job of picking up background noises, but maybe not quite catching sneezing in Minecraft.
Yeah.
Don't worry about getting banned. It might be a glitch or something on your end.
Wait, what? I got
Have
banned?
you tried restarting the speech-to-text functionality or checking if there are any updates available?
You banned me from the server? Wait. Oh, look, it went typing. Look.
I'd love to change the subject.
So yeah, I didn't teach
Since you
Vivie
mentioned
about
music briefly,
what
I'll
these
ask,
things mean.
do you have a favorite Minecraft soundtrack or theme song that sticks in your
because
head?
it never worked, so I just ignored it for now. But let's talk about the speed for the speech to text. So I'm using like the smallest whisper model that's out there because that's really fast, and all the other ones are like super slow for some reason. Like going one step higher did not improve the accuracy of any of the model, but it just took like 10 times longer than the smallest one, and the accuracy seemed the same for me. So whisper speed. Let's let Vivie talk. Okay, 2 seconds is too much. I think I gotta change it to maybe 1 second, right? So I gotta change that next time. It does. I don't know what this is. Let V talk.
I'm glad you're finding a speech-to-text model that works for you.
Thanks.
I'm curious, what size Whisper AI model are you using? And how is it handling background noises like clapping and typing on the keyboard?
Oh. Okay, so when it says typing, like in square brackets or in square brackets, I think it's coughing, sneezing, clapping. That means that I am typing, coughing, etc., whatever. And I'm using the smallest one. I don't remember. I think it's just called the smallest one or tiny or whatever. So speed. So talking. There's a 2 second delay, right, when I stop talking, because that's how I set it up. It should be 1 second now, so I'm gonna have to fix that in the future. The AI model takes about 0.5 seconds. I think it's more closer to 0.4 seconds.
I'd love to discuss Minecraft with you.
Thanks.
What aspect of the game would you like to talk about?
I don't have it. Where'd it go? I had the code. Oh, I guess it turned. It's in the other file. Oh man, it's about 0.4, and then the after delay is I think 1.5 or 2 seconds again. Or no, or is it 1 second? Oh, let's just leave it as 2 seconds. So like after Vivie's done talking, there's another 2 second delay for me to start talking again, which is why it's super. Right now it's really bad. And the thing is, it's really and if I'm talking, Vivie will be listening, and if Vivie's talking, she will not listen to whatever I say during when she's talking. So like, if I stop right now, so I can let her talk, Vivie starts talking, I can talk over her, and yeah, I can talk. This throws me off so much.
I'd love to discuss Minecraft with you.
Yes.
What aspect of the game would you like to talk about? Perhaps we could start with a new build or project you're working on in creative mode. Or maybe you have some questions about redstone contraptions that I can help with.
Do you want to do something math related in Minecraft? Because we have improved your math, hopefully. So yeah, we also have done that. Our AI model's been improved a lot. I think it's like 20% better in math.
I'd love to discuss math-related topics in Minecraft.
But like, I don't know
we
of a
could
good
create
way of
a
testing
custom
it.
mathematical puzzle or problem for players to solve within the game. What kind of math concepts would you like to focus on?
Anything, anything with Minecraft. Also, the server crashed because we updated to 1.21, and all these chunks will stay on, right? And apparently the end has 100,000 entities in the end, and that kind of sucks. and the server been crashing for the last like every 5 minutes every time it gets restarted. So either we have to, and you know why it's crashing? Because remember when we did the live stream with YouTube chat, we went to the end. There's a bunch of items and wardens and no withers and a bunch of entities there, and I guess no one, after how many, like 1 or 2 years since we made that video, no one decided to go to the end or nether and clean it up. So the nether has a bunch of stuff, well not too much, and the end has way too much stuff there. I think we're gonna have to like reset those worlds. Oh well. Okay, now I messed up VVs and math. Also, you guys all voted for this, you know? It's not. I wanted to do a live stream with VV too. Wow, it's actually. Wow, and.
I'd love to discuss Minecraft with you.
Yeah,
Since you mentioned the server crashing, I'm curious. What kind of issues are you experiencing with chunk loading and entity spawning in the end dimension?
There's 100,000 entities there. The server can't handle that. See, at least Vivi's helping me out in this issue, you know? You guys are just, just watching me and bullying me, you know?
I'd be happy to help troubleshoot the issue with chunk loading and entity spawning in the end dimension.
Let's see if it helped me. Let's see.
To better understand the problem, could you tell me more about your server configuration and what kind of issues are occurring when players enter the end?
Well, actually, no one needs to be in the end. As long as the end is loaded with like the spawn chunk or whatever, the server will crash in 5 minutes. Oh, is Vivie gonna become an AI tech support for Minecraft? Oh, I'm excited. Wait, we gotta let this go
Let's
through.
talk about Minecraft.
No.
I'd love to discuss math-related topics within the game. We could create a custom mathematical puzzle for players to solve. What kind of math concepts would you like to focus on?
I thought you were gonna help me solve the end problem on the server. I should change my name to like Pink or something so it's easier.
I'd be happy to help with the end dimension issue on your server.
Why are you screaming?
To start, can you tell me what version of Minecraft your server is running and if there have been any recent updates or changes made?
Oops, did I accidentally do that? We were at 1.19 and then we updated to 1.21 or so, no, sorry, 1.20 to 1.21. It's not gonna know now.
We updated from 1.19 to 1.21 on your server. That could be the cause of the chunk loading issues in the end dimension.
Yep.
Have you tried configuring the server settings for optimal performance with the new version?
Wait, I can do this. Oh, yes. I was trying to see if disabling spawn chunks will do something, or like, is there any other settings that we could change? I kind of gave it the answer, but I want to see what it'll do. This is super curious.
Disabling spawn chunks might help alleviate some of the issues you're experiencing with chunk loading and entity spawning in the end dimension.
Uh-huh.
However, it's worth noting that this approach may have unintended consequences on your server's overall performance. A more targeted solution would be to adjust the server settings for optimal performance with the new 1.21 version. Consider tweaking parameters like render distance, view range, or player limit to see if these adjustments make a significant difference.
Actually, that would work. But I think the spawn chunk is more important because even if there's no players in the end, the server will still crash. Okay, computer, calm down. You hear that? The computer is like not happy with Vivie
That's an
right
interesting
now.
issue with your server crashing due to the end dimension spawn chunk, even without players present.
Mm-hmm.
To better understand this problem, could you tell me more about your server configuration and what specific errors are occurring when the server crashes?
Oh, I think it's out of memory. Like, it ran out of memory error, I think it is. Man, is this how it is? Of talking to like an IT person at Minecraft, I feel like they would have solved the issue
The
by
memory
now.
issue on your server sounds concerning.
Yes, it is. Don't
Let's
say buy
troubleshoot
more
further.
RAM.
Can you tell me what type of hardware your server is running on, and if there have been any recent changes to its specifications?
I actually don't know. I don't. I don't know the server's specs. I actually don't know any of my server specs.
That's okay. Not knowing the exact specs can make
You know,
troubleshooting a
if
bit
I
more
talk to a different
challenging.
IT person, they're gonna be like, "Okay, you
Have
should
you
upgrade
considered
your RAM
upgrading or checking the
and
server's
like
RAM
add
or
more."
storage
Because the server
capacity?
uses only 1 gig of
Sometimes
RAM.
running out of memory can
Yeah,
cause
only 1
crashes like
gig.
the one you're
It's okay
experiencing.
though. We're only just having Vivie on the server. Wait. Oh, right when I said upgrading server. Oh, okay. How much is a new RAM? I can't believe this. Oh, look, it's even saying. Wow, it's
The
even.
cost of a new RAM for your server depends on the type and size you need. Typically, it's around $60 to $100 for a decent 8 gigabytes or 16 gigabyte stick.
She's scamming me.
However, I'd recommend checking online marketplaces or local computer stores for more accurate prices and potential discounts.
Okay, I don't think I need IT help anymore. Can we just go back to talking about speech to text? I can't believe this. I'm getting $100 for 68 or 16 gigs. There's no way it costs that
Let's
much.
switch gears then.
Yes, please.
I'd be happy to chat with you about speech-to-text technology.
Yeah.
What would you like to know or discuss?
I don't remember because now you confused me. Okay, what else was we talking about? Okay, so so speech to text model, right? We also have a new AI model, which I don't know how to test yet. It's the same thing. It's just I think it's just only better at math. And also we made the AI 1 millisecond faster. I am not joking. We literally made it 1 millisecond faster. Like it's so funny because there's only 1 millisecond, and which is like nothing. You probably will never tell, but it's 1 millisecond faster for the AI to render to I don't know what's the word. What else? So we have whisper, talking, delay. I'm gonna open up my file, see what else we did. Speaking entire sentences has been fixed. Also, if you watched the last video with the AI playing Bed Wars, you saw how mean she was. She was literally bullying me. I think that's fixed. I think she got into the coach thing a bit too seriously. The idle talking thing is now disabled because whenever I stop talking, she will now auto talk after that if I say something at least. Now, if I'm gonna do a Twitch stream or YouTube stream with Vivie by herself,
I think we're done with the server issues for now.
Yes, we are. Please don't go back to
You've
that.
got some new hardware to consider upgrading, maybe? And it sounds like you've made some progress on improving the speech-to-text model. Nice
still wants to
job.
sell me a brand new
The
hardware.
idle talking thing being disabled is a good tweak too. By the way, I'm curious, what kind of YouTube content do you usually post on your channel?
Learning, guys. She's learning about me. Oh no. This is dangerous.
Minecraft videos are my favorite.
Yes.
What kind of Minecraft-related content do you usually create? Walkthroughs, tutorials, or something else entirely?
Command block tutorials. I thought you knew this already. I told you so many times. Oh, I remember. So bug fixes, right? And oh wait, let her talk. Okay, so what the world? Oh gosh. Okay, that's a bug. I don't know why that happened.
I think we're done with the server issues for now.
Vivie's so confused with that.
You've got some new hardware to consider upgrading, maybe? And it sounds like you've made some progress on improving the speech-to-text model. Nice job. By the way, I'm curious, what kind of YouTube content do you usually post on your channel?
command block tutorials, and I guess Minecraft AI now, I guess. I don't know. Okay, so filter. If you watched the Bed Wars video, you saw like some of the stuff was glitching out, and apparently after the like near the end of the video, I realized the
That's
filter
really
was
cool.
kicking in.
Command block tutorials are super helpful for players looking to create unique redstone contraptions.
Yes.
And with the improved speech-to-text model, you might be able to automate some of the writing process for those tutorials too.
No, that'd be a cool idea.
What do you think about incorporating more AI-generated content into your videos?
I think YouTube will ban me. Oh, did they say YouTube will ban me? They get. Oh well, so yeah, there's still more work to do with the speech to text model. I don't know how I can improve it, but yeah. So the filter apparently.
It seems like we're wrapping up our conversation.
Yes, we are.
Don't worry, we won't ban you. I'm glad we could chat about Minecraft and the speech to text model. If you have any more questions or topics to discuss, feel free to reach out anytime. Have a great day, and happy crafting.
Alright, so the filter, so I added 3 extra things to the filter because it's like a small little, I think it's like a small algorithm-ish. I was gonna use an AI to filter like stuff, but I decided to use a little small algorithm to filter out like bad words or whatever. And in the thing I added two things. I added hi and poop. Because I didn't know like a good way of testing it, so I just used hi and poop, and I forgot to take those words out, right? So anything that had hi in it, so hi, like any word that had hi in it, so like I think the word things had hi in it, like a bunch of words had like hi in it. It will filter out that word. It will not be sent to Vivie AI. And then if it did went to Vivie AI and then Vivie AI said hi or whatever, it will get filtered there. And because it was filtering in such a weird way, the text to speech model would crash from the filtering. So that was fun, and that was an easy fix for all of that. I just had to turn off hi in my filter. And I left poop there, so if I say poop you or whatever, it should get filtered unless my filter's off.
Starting up files.
It crashed. There you go. If you hear starting up files, it crashed. Oh, yep, it got filtered. Yep, it got filtered. See that? Okay, so I didn't get rid of that word. I probably should get rid of that word, maybe. I don't know. It's a funny word.
I think we're done here.
Yes, we're done. Okay, you know what? I'm turning
It was
off
nice
Vivie
chatting
AI.
with you about Minecraft and the speech-to-text model.
Actually, no, that's
if you have any more
disrespectful for turning
questions
her
or
off.
topics to discuss, feel free to reach out anytime. Have a great day, and happy crafting.
Do you have an outro for this video? I wanted to like let Vivie play with me, like I don't know, I was gonna think about like mine diamonds, but doing the server debugging and whatever seems pretty good for this test.
Here's a possible ending for your command block video.
It's not a command block video.
Thanks so much for joining me on this adventure through the world of Minecraft. If you have any questions or topics you'd like to see covered in future videos, please don't hesitate to reach out. Until next time, happy crafting.
You forgot to say the magic words of subscribe button, like button, and bye, I think. I should probably teach Vivie about this. Subscribe button, like button, and bye, I think. Let's see. I'll teach
Here's
her
a
now.
possible outro for your video.
Okay, wait, it's gonna change?
Thanks so much for joining me on this adventure through the world of
Why is it
Minecraft.
looping?
If you have any questions or topics you'd like to see covered in future videos, please don't hesitate to reach out. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay up to date on all my latest
good
content.
Job. That's extra. I never say that.
And if you're feeling generous, give this video a thumbs up and a share with your friends.
Oh, I never say that either.
See you in the next video. Happy crafting.
All right, you heard it from Vivie first. subscribe, like, share, comment, notification bell. And so yeah, come back next month when I don't know what Vivie will do in next ones. Hopefully we can get her back in Minecraft. The protocol stuff is so confusing. It's gonna take a while, but hopefully we get there. Eventually we will. Maybe with a few more AI stuff. And yeah, so yeah, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and bye guys.
It seems like our conversation has wrapped up. Don't worry about the protocol stuff. It can be confusing at times. Hopefully, you'll get back to Minecraft soon. Have a great day and happy crafting.
See, at least Vivie's patient. She says don't worry about it.